Iris IPTV from Switch features the ability to watch past programs using two methods. With CatchupTV, you can watch any show you've missed on any channel that is being archived for up to 48 hours. Or take advantage of CloudPVR to record a program to the cloud and keep the recording for as long as you want. Recording to the cloud has the added benefit of making the recording available to all the devices associated with your account. You must first set recordings to be saved to the cloud in the general settings. This is covered in the tutorial video entitled Iris IPTV Set-Top Box Configuration. To watch a show that is archived with CatchupTV, use the arrow buttons on the remote while in the TV guide to view program information for past broadcasts. Programs that have a red arrow beside the title indicate that the show has been archived. Click the OK button on the remote to bring up the viewing options for that program and click Watch to view. To control the playback of an archived program, click the down arrow on the remote to bring up the controls and use the left and right arrows to choose between skip back, rewind, pause, stop, fast forward, and skip ahead. Clicking stop will present you with the options to resume the archived program, switch to the live broadcast, or quit and exit to the television menu. You can also watch an archive program by clicking the down arrow while watching a live broadcast to bring up the television options and selecting TV Guide. Use the arrows on the remote to choose a program in the past and click play to view. Making a recording to the cloud is easy. While in the TV Guide, highlight any program and click the OK button on the remote. Highlight Set Recording and press the OK button to record. After a period of time, the recorded program will appear in the Cloud tab of the Recordings menu. You can also set a recording for an upcoming program while watching a live broadcast by clicking the down arrow to bring up the television options and selecting the TV Guide. Use the arrows on the remote to choose a program in the future and click Set Recording. Watching recordings is as simple as navigating to the Recordings menu and then selecting the Cloud tab. Highlight the recorded program you want to watch and click the OK button to view the options. Select Play to watch or Delete to remove the recording from the cloud. As always, click the down arrow while watching any live, archived, or recorded program to bring up the playback controls.